said, don't be shy, Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day, sending videos from her trailer. Yeah, she is Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2018, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday. Well, I have a calendar that you can actually print out and put on your fridge. You can get it at trailerparkchristmas.com. And I see today that it's one of the favorites that I do every year, and it says Gelatin Surprise. Now, a lot of people are scared of gelatin. It's something that, well, I want to bring back into fashion. And actually something else today that we're using that needs to come back in fashion because people are buying all the fancy yogurts is actually cottage cheese. And I know that it's sounding scary already for some of y'all, but it's a lime cottage cheese salad. And I know it sounds really scary, but it's great around the holidays. You can surprise your friends with it, and it's really tasty, and it's great for dessert, especially on a buffet table. It's my lime cottage cheese salad up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2018. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my cottage cheese salad is a great thing to make around the holidays, and everyone's buying the fancy yogurt, and no one buys cottage cheese anymore, so I am bringing it back. And this is an unusual holiday dish. It was served long ago, and it's just not in fashion these days, and I just think it's something great that you can share with your family. So I've got 2 cups of cottage cheese here, and I'm just dumping it here in a nice glass bowl. You want something pretty so you can show it off. And I'm just dumping that right on in there. It was on sale today. And what I'm going to do is add 1 cup of crushed pineapple here. And I've kind of drained that. It's kind of hard to drain that, but I did drain that a little bit. And this is 2 cups of whipped topping. Now, this comes in the tub. You can find that in the freezer section. Now, some of the people living across the pond have a hard time finding this. You might not even be able to, but you could probably use some whipped cream and be just the same. But I've got 2 cups of that, and that's just going to go right there in the bowl. Now, I know a lot of people are shaking their head right now going, Jolene, you're putting whipped cream in the cottage cheese? Now, cottage cheese is a cheese product, and by sweetening it up, you can kind of make a dessert kind of thing out of it, which we are today. And I've got 1 cup of walnuts right on in there. It goes right on into the bowl there. And now, this is what really gives it the flavor and also gives it the holiday look. This is a 3-ounce package of lime gelatin. That goes right on in there. Right over, sprinkle it right on top. Now, this is not going to kind of gel like a gelatin, but this adds flavor, and it kind of firms up a little bit with this. And I'm going to mix this together and check back with you in just a moment because, wow, smell that lime. It smells so great right now. And I'm just going to whip this up and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Okay, we have mixed it up, and what I'm going to do is put some plastic wrap up on top of it and pop it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours to chill up. So, set your timer. And there you have it, my lime cottage cheese salad. And doesn't that look festive? It's got a light green color to it, and it looks like a nice holiday salad. This would certainly look good on a buffet table. And we put the pineapple in it, and the actual nuts here, and the whipped topping. So I'm just going to taste it. I know some of y'all are shaking your head going, oh my gosh, I can't believe there's cottage cheese and whipped cream together. And I'm just going to tell you what it tastes like. Let's see. Wow. That has a very good lime taste. With the cottage cheese, it's kind of like cheesecake. Now, it does have the taste of cottage cheese just a little bit, but it's refreshing and kind of like cheesecake to me. And I know it's unusual, I know it's a blast from the past, but with the pineapple in there and the nuts, and it just reminds me of the holidays, and it is, I do like this. That is so good. That would be good with the turkey or ham or Are you going to give this a try? Leave a comment down at the bottom, and if you do, send me pictures too. And it's just a great holiday salad, and I think cottage cheese should make its way back because people just have stopped getting that. And don't forget to download the free calendar so you can follow along. I've got a video every day until the 25th. And I see tomorrow that it's a special one that I do, kind of a tradition. I've tried out different unusual products and that I pick up while I'm shopping for all these salads and things like that. Well, we've learned that salads could be dangerous, but at least a cottage cheese salad, that one's okay. So tune in tomorrow, hit that whatever subscribe notification wherever you see this video, and visit trailerparkchristmas.com to visit this calendar, get it, and find out more tips and tricks to make your holiday the Trailer Park way. I'm Jolene Sugarbaker. I love celebrating the holidays with you, and I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for